Hi, I'm Zach from Best Buy, and welcome to the lab. I'm here to talk to you today about the Arlo Pro 4 Security Bundle. It is available only at Best Buy, and it includes everything you're going to need to get your home security setup started. It includes 3 Arlo Pro 4 security cameras, 3 anti-theft mounts, 4 rechargeable batteries, a dual charging station, and a yard sign. The Arlo Pro 4 security cameras come in 2 different colors, either white or black. The Arlo Pro 4 security bundle is super easy to set up, and best of all, it's 100% wire-free. It's so easy to install. The mounts are super great. They have an anti-theft security system on them. With the Arlo app, everything is recorded and saved right there on your phone. The picture quality on these things are amazing. They record in 2K video quality, which means you can zoom in and still get super sharp details. Each camera has a motion-activated spotlight built in so that it can shine a light on anything going on at night and you'll get full color detail. And with the Arlo app, you can even talk through your cameras with the 2-way audio system. If you have any questions, come by and see me. Thanks for stopping by the lab.